National Assembly Speaker Thandi Modise should not be held liable for neglecting animals on her farm. That's the argument presented by the defence in the Potchefstroom Regional Court in the northwest. They say employees were tasked with caring for the animals. The prosecution went as far as to present the Speaker's bank statements to show how much was paid to workers overseeing the farm. 2014, the NSPCA reported animal neglect there and Modise was charged. Khayelihle Khumalo reports.
The legal team for the National Assembly Speaker Thandi Modise says the prosecution has dismally failed to prove that she unlawfully and intentionally led to the starvation of animals on her farm. They were banking on the testimony that has been presented by one of the star witnesses from the prosecution.
There is no evidence in this court to suggest that she did not provide feed or water. There is evidence in this court that she did. There is evidence even corroborated. Mr. Mayor was telling us about corroboration. The evidence that the feed was enough to last for 2 months.
Another very contentious issue that really came to the fore was around the banking statements of Ms. Modise, and in fact now she intends approaching a banking ombudsman after FNB decided to release her statements.
If there's a manager, he must be paid. If there's no payment to a manager, then that serves as corroboration. Now, Your Worship, what I find interesting is that Mr. Bull would argue that corroboration is not relevant. Corroboration is very relevant.
Now they do need more time to present their own application. And from its side, now the prosecution says it's quite important from their side to make sure that they're given sufficient amount of time. But now the ball, quite soon, will be in the court of the magistrates. Khayelihle Khumalo, Potchefstroom.